Hello everyone, and welcome to another dev blog for Hyperstrike. For anyone who just started watching, Hyperstrike is a roguelike on-rail shooter twin-stick with bullet hell elements. This blog is a little late due to me furiously working on new features, the latest of which is the upgrade store. Using money you earn in the game, you can purchase from the store and help your progress. Things you can purchase will be things like bonuses for your ship and upgrades for your weapons. So here's a quick look at the store. I created basic animations using the .tween library. I found this little droid guy on the asset store and gave him some neon. He is the store shopkeep and chirps at you when you buy stuff. Here we have cards. Each card is randomly selected when you load the store. I also saved that selection so if you quit the game and come back, you have the same ones to choose from. Going into how this works, I made a data class to hold the name, type, index of the image, and values associated with the upgrade item and costs. The upgrade item works like an inventory item for your ship, and so I made an inventory class to keep track of the upgrades and modifications the player has. Some upgrades are stackable, and so those are being kept in a list, while others replace, and so they're being kept in a property. I made the inventory items a scriptable object so I could easily serialize them. Using a CSV sheet, I can make the inventory items, convert the sheet to JSON, and then load them into Unity. This process should help me streamline making new inventory items. I made an inventory library object that houses the inventory items. This library also holds the images associated to the items. The store uses the index of the image on the inventory item to know which inventory image to use. Next comes the hard part, which is actually making the items have an effect on the game. Luckily, a lot of my inventory variables are handled by the player config, which most classes in the game have read access to. The player inventory class applies its upgrade item bonus to the player config, then the game uses those bonuses for the player at runtime. Some upgrades are unique, however, and might need some hard coding in the future to implement. Right now, all the upgrades currently work with the player config though. Currently, there is no way to look at your acquired upgrades, and so I'll need to add that as a feature in the future. Some of the upgrades you can buy right now are things like more max health, max shields, larger projectiles, faster shots, more rolls, more boosts, more damage, and even a different main gun or projectile. Do you have an idea of something that might be a fun upgrade? If so, let me know and I might implement it. That's it for this week. For the coming weeks, I will continue to work on the main game loop for Hyperstrike, including the first stage's main boss. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks!